Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is on manicure. So let's do this. So the first thing that I do is remove my gel polish. So I just take cotton wool, I wet it with acetone, and then I peg it for some few minutes. And then after pegging, it will be ready to come out, or it will soften, and therefore I use this cuticle pusher to just remove it. After that, I just take my nail and shape the nails. I'll cut the nails using a nail cutter to a desirable size. Then I'm going to apply nail cuticle gel to remove gel, and then I dip it in water, and therefore the cuticles and dead skin allowed my nails softens, and therefore they are very easy to come out. So I'm using cuticle remover to just remove them. after that, and after filing, I just scrub my hands using a DIY scrub that I've made at home. And then after that, I wash my hands. Then apply my gel, another new set of gel. So I'm going in with that pink color, that is after I've applied base coat, then the color, then the top coat, and I've just used a blue color just to decorate. So that's the final look. Then I moisturize my hands, and guys, that's the result. Thank you for tuning in my channel. Subscribe for more content. See you later. Bye bye.